channel. In today's video, I will be collabing with Alipearl, and they sent me a 22-inch wig, 180 density. The cap of the size of the cap is medium, and it is a 370 lace. It's not 360, it's 370. So as you can see, the knots are pre-plucked, but I will go in and pluck them again. And this is them plucked again. I did bleach the knots as well. I didn't show you guys me installing this wig because I have a ton of videos, but the glue I used was my go-to waterproof glue, and I will leave all of that below. Receive an extra 10% off when you shop using code AlexisJ. So my coworker is adding layers in my hair, and she's about to curl it for me. Unfortunately, I didn't catch the parts of her curling, but I did catch a lot of her cutting. So I'm going to let you guys see it. This hair is really soft. It was body wave. I did co-wash the hair before I installed it. That's why it looks like this. But as you can see, it still has its shine and everything. I didn't add any product to it yet. She's going to add some towards the curling process, but like I said, I didn't record that part because it wasn't recording, sadly. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch this and I'll be back. Also want to include that I love Alipearl hair. Like, I worked with them multiple times, so I wouldn't let y'all down. This is one of my favorite hair companies. I'm not even gonna stunt. Like, for real, I love Alipearl. So guys, here's my curls. They are laid, baby. As you can see, that lace melted, okay? Melted, sweetie. Where do you see the lace? Can you find it? Because I can't. Oh, okay. But anyways, my lace is melted. Everything on this is just everything, y'all. The curls is everything. The lace is everything. The hair is everything. Like, I just love it. Just look at this outcome, y'all. So cute. And hold on. Pose. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so. It's at XEEL___ sweetie. You're missing out. Go follow your girl. Thank you. Back to the video. As you can see, my curls are laid. I love the layers. It brought so much volume to the hair. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. I have so many vlogs that I have about to go up behind the scenes of all the work that I had done, like all of my video shoots and everything. I have behind the scenes of all of that, and I can't wait to post it and share it with you guys. I love y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. See ya. Spot. I'm a hot girl, so you know what she is like.